did that?
I guess it's nothing.
What name are you doing? There's a gun in his hand.
Makes me wonder why I bother to drive in the city. Public transportation here can be pretty good.
But,
It's not a playground, pal.
another crazy.
That ain't funny. Hey, buddy, you think you're funny? That's it. No, that's... Hey, don't shoot!
Please, don't let me get hurt.
Oh, God, no!
Oh my God. No.
What the hell?
This can't be happening.
Be free, my friend. Do what you gotta do.
What's he doing? That's not right. Go ahead.
Run! Run!
Everybody run!
Search for him! Watch out! Watch him out! Search around! Don't be sloppy! Cover me! Hey! Down over there! This shit went sideways on us! Everything's gone to shit!
Search over there, but watch your back.
Take me on, tough guy, huh?
You can't hurt me. No one can.
That's right. Run home to your mom. You're a stupid son of a...
Only a matter of time, friend.
Start looking.
She led such a beautiful life. She just had her 90th birthday. There was a ton of...
We've got an intrusion in the hotel security system. Someone check it out.
That's a bad sign.
Hey! Oh, this is right.
No!
Jesus.
Oh, God!
Gun!
You can just walk away. I won't say anything. No, no!
Fuck!
Get down!
no.
Everybody down!
What is that? Oh no.
God, what's happening? Hey! Get back there!
Holy crap!
Chase him down!
Oh, shit!
Find that fucking killer!
Oh, no!
Don't see anything. Gotta move on. Nothing here. Moving on.
Jesus.
Nothing here. Moving on. You guys lost him, not me. Stay sharp. Don't see shit. I'll look over there. Don't let your guard down! I know you're still here. I can smell the shit in your pants. Enough is enough, right? Look out! Get down! We're in big trouble over here! Whoa! I'll make it quick. Get off! Move! I can fuck this guy up. The shit's hit the fan! He's hurt!
You best be careful, he's doubled his men. I think he's expecting you.
Good.
You don't take warnings very well.
You're a smart man. You should know when you're beaten. That hit you ordered. My niece died in that car. 6-year-old girl.
Oh. Is this what all the fuss is about? You must forgive me. You know, so many people come to me with their little problems. It's hard to keep track sometimes.
It's time to perforate this asshole. Trust me, sheep. I look for this shit. They're not getting move in.
Getting an angle.
Somebody really wants you dead and wounded!
on its way. Hang on.
We better split.
We're gonna have to terminate our association with Claire a little.
Mr. Pearce. Just walk away. Live your life. I assure you, this room is impenetrable. So many people trying to catch you, including myself. You've been more elusive than we anticipated. Do you expect applause when you go out there that the city will fall to its knees in gratitude?
Everything all right?
Your concern is charming, but I'd concentrate on your escape right now.
I came here for you. You think bulletproof glass is going to stop me?
What are you doing?
Watching an old man die.
Bigger men than you've tried to destroy me. I've ripped them apart, one by one.
You expect me to obey?
Lucky Quinn?
On his knees.
Beg all you want, that doesn't interest me.
You don't even know why we attacked you. It was a mistake. We thought you wanted this. You were just sloppy. If you'd walked away, I would have forgotten you. What a lovely woman, Rose Washington. Wasn't for her death, where would I be? Most women die without purpose. But she had enough sense to die in front of the camera. See, and our mayor never tidy with his secrets.
And stupid enough to fall in love.
All of this. Lena's death. Because you didn't want to lose a puppet.
Do you think you've won? See, when I die, they'll build a statue. And you have to help me.
The city didn't stop for your grieving family.
Because you don't matter.
I know I have proof.
Haven't you heard? I'm the vigilante. I clean up mess like you.
Let me go.
Quinn's dead. This is the part where I'm supposed to say I feel empty, right? And be lying to myself. I finally feel awake. Like I can breathe again. And Lena? Nothing can change her death. But maybe I can still do something that'll make a difference. T-Bone. It was Quinn after all. I'm uploading a video to you now.
A video? Of what?
You'll see.
Mr. Quinn? Mr. Quinn! Quick, get the others! Lock the place down!
He's not gone. Start looking. I'll head that way. Found him! That's impossible. This shit's supposed to have 5 fail-safe redundancies.
Squad to all units. Air support is fueled and inbound. Hold tight.
Search over there.
Squad left eyes on the
Be advised, a patrol SUV has been dispatched after the suspect.
squad. We're back on him. Ignoring lethal force. That's a solid hit. Suspect left side of the block from here. No sign of him now. We'll have another look.
Got a gun! Run! There you go!
Right, suspect back in the rod. Over. Squad, we're going on. Maybe hiding out in the parking garage. Ah, shit, I lost it. this is 6-2 flight, David. Suspect gave us a slip.
So there I was, scribbling Mandelbrot set from memory when your girlfriend called. Explain to me how you didn't know. What's her fucking name? Clara? Was the one who sold us out?
What are you talking about? Why would Clara call you?
You didn't know? She thought I'd trade for your sister. You think that's touching? I think it's fucking sad.
Watch it, he's holding a gun!
How could you let her play you?
Leave her, Damien. I'm serious. Leave her out of this.
Did you forget? We're not partners anymore. All bets are off.
Gotta find this guy fast. I don't want to spook him. What has she done? Why would she call Damien? Where are you, Clara? Come on.